Hey guys, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a wash and go tutorial. I haven't done a wash and go tutorial on my channel in quite some time, and I have found a new combination, you guys, that I just had to share with you all. It is a no gel wash and go. No eco styler gel, no nothing. Strictly a gel-free zone. I absolutely love this combination because it gives my hair a ton of moisture, a ton of definition, and my hair will last for quite some time. Not so much 7 days, but it will last like 4 to 5 days. So it's still pretty good, honestly, and I just love how my hair feels with the products that I'll be mentioning in this video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So what I'll be using for this routine is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Love, love, love this stuff. I will also be using a little bit of the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Style Milk. And last but not least, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is not sponsored at all by Shea Moisture, just products that I really genuinely love to use. So my hair is freshly washed. I shampooed and conditioned using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo and conditioner by Shea Moisture. And I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but my curls are so defined. Like, do you guys see that? It is so soft, so moisturized, and like ridiculously defined. And I haven't even detangled. I haven't like done anything at all, but it's so defined. So that's crazy in itself. But yeah, so my hair feels clean, it feels soft, and it is now ready to be styled. So in my old wash and go routines, I used to like do a ton of steps and work in smaller sections. But lately I have been really like keeping things simple, and I've been working in like halves and not so much small sections, and it's worked for me. Today I'll be sticking to that and just working in halves. I may separate my half into like 2 sections, but for the most part it'll just be one half and then the other half. First thing I will be doing with this half of my hair is spraying my hair with water. I love doing wash and goes on pretty much soaking wet hair because my curls will stay defined longer and they'll stay more moisturized longer. And whenever I'm not using a gel, I definitely want my hair to be as soaking wet as possible because my curls will react to the product a lot better. You guys can see my hair is pretty much like dripping water, but that's okay. It's definitely worth dealing with dripping hair. So like I said, I'll just section this half into like 2 sections, but that's it. That's all I'll be doing. So I'll be doing a total of 4 sections, keeping it simple. Now I'll first apply my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture to my hair. And just smoothing it and raking it into my hair. And this stuff has a good amount of slip, so it's very easy to like work it in your hair and detangle it at the same time. You guys can already see how defined and shiny my curls are. Next, I want to move on to my styler. So first, I'll just apply a dime-sized amount of the Coconut Curling Style Milk to my hair. And again, I will just smooth it and rake it into my hair. And I'm also focusing on the roots and the tips of my hair because, of course, the tips are the oldest part of your hair, so you want that part to be as moisturized as possible. And then last but not least, I'm going to take a little amount of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I have about a dime size to a quarter size amount of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie on my finger. And I will just smooth that into my hair as well. And again, just focus on the roots and the tips of my hair, or the ends of my hair. I'm gonna spray a little bit more water to my ends because I realized that they're starting to get a little bit dry. All right, and just like that, my first section of hair is done. My curls are looking bouncy and really defined. And now I'll just do those exact same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So 1, do the leave-in, 2, add my curl and style milk, and 3, add my curl enhancing smoothie. All right, so my hair is styled. My hair does look crazy though because like certain parts are starting to air dry and like shrink up, and then other parts are not shrunken yet, so it looks like very lopsided, but I'll fix that once my hair is dry, so don't worry about that right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry for at least a few hours because whenever I do a wash and go without any gel, I cannot go in immediately and use a diffuser because my hair will be a big frizz ball within like 10 minutes. Actually, I forgot that I wanted to shake my hair first, so 1 second. Sorry you guys, I completely forgot that I didn't want my hair to be in that middle part. So yeah, I'll let my hair air dry, and then in a few hours, I'll decide if I want to diffuse or not. But until then, it'll be just air drying, and I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, so I am back, and my curls are about 80% dry, and they are looking juicy and just super duper defined. I'm sure you guys can see like the shine and just how like defined my curls are. So yeah, this is how they're looking. I could just go ahead and let my hair air dry until it is 100% dry, but honestly, I'm tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the process using my handy dandy blow dryer. I don't like to use a diffuser because I feel like it just adds more frizz, at least for me, than reducing frizz. So I like to just take my blow dryer without any attachment and then kind of like slowly work my way around my head. I like to use cool heat only, and if I have to use warm heat, which is very, very, very rare, I will use warm heat with the low setting. I think my hair is dry, but now I'm just feeling around to see if I feel any spots that I may have missed, just because I don't want to go to bed with any areas still damp. So just feeling around, seeing if I feel any wet spots, but I think I'm good. These are my curls. I love how much volume I get with this process. Like, I would never get this level of day one hair with gel. Like, I would never get it. And I have definitely been leaning more towards more of the voluminous curls than just the super heavy weighed down curls. I mean, don't get me wrong, sometimes I do love them and it will last a lot longer whenever my hair is a lot more weighed down, but you just can't beat like this. Unfortunately though, I'm about to go to sleep, but I want to show you guys my nighttime routine for my wash and goes. All I do is take these 4 little scrunchies or hair ties, whatever you call them, and I just make 4 mini pineapples. I do one in the front, one in the back, and 2 on the sides. So I just take one of these bad boys, section off 1/4 of my hair, my little bang area that I like to fall forwards towards my forehead. So I'll just take this little hair tie and put it into one little loose ponytail, and I will just wrap it twice. That's it. So it's still pretty loose, but it is stretching it out a bit, so that way my roots will be stretched out a bit and my curls will hang even longer. And just like that, it's done. It takes all of like 30 seconds to do. It looks crazy at night, but I promise y'all it is totally worth it. And I'll go ahead and turn around so you guys can see how the back looks. It's not neat or anything, but it gets the job done. So all I'll do now is just put on my silk scarf around my edges, because that is very important to protect my edges. Next, I put on my satin bonnet. It is a jumbo bonnet, and I love it because it does not squish my curls at all. So my curls have room to like just hang and be free, and I don't have to worry about my curls being squished while I'm sleeping. Now I would just call it a night, and I will show you all the final results in the morning. Hey you guys, so it is now the next morning, and I want to just go ahead and quickly show you guys how I take my hair down. So all I do is super simple. I just take my bonnet off, take my scarf off, and then I just take the mini pineapples out. Lastly, I just shake and fluff my hair until I'm satisfied with how my hair looks. That is it. That is my easy no gel wash and go. Hope you all enjoyed it. I feel like it's super easy, super simple, because that is what I was going for, a very simple solution to achieving a voluminous but still defined wash and go. So these are my results, you guys. My hair has so much body to it, so much volume to it. They're just really fluffy. And I love them. Like, I just love how they feel and how they move, and they just fall into place. They feel very soft, very, very, very soft. So that combination, those Shea Moisture products are definitely the bomb.com, and they may be oldies, but they are definitely still goodies. Hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial and found it helpful. If you guys did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.